How to fix Blox Fruits store glitch. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, and here's how you can solve the store or unstore fruit problem in Blox Fruits. You can only unstore fruits in second C cafe or third C mansion, and you can't do it in the first C. You need the fruit storage game pass to store and unstore fruits. Make sure that you have enough empty spaces in your inventory before unstoring a fruit, and try logging out and logging back in or switching the servers, and this often fixes the glitches. And if that does not work, you can restart the Roblox on your device. Many players suggest logging out of the Blox Fruits completely and then reopening the game and logging back in. Remember that you must be in the second C to unstore the fruits. So go to the second C or the cafe or the third C on mansion. Make sure that you have the fruit storage game pass and check for enough empty space in your inventory. Click on unstore on the fruit that you want to unstore, and if nothing happens, log out and log back in or switch servers. And if you're still having trouble, you can restart Roblox or your device. So fixing this problem lets you quickly change fruits during the raids or battles and making the game more fun. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.